Hi guys, my name is Mayank. Today we'll talk about what is LLD, why it's needed, and its difference between HLD. So LLD is a low-level design. It is not just about coding. It is about drawing the map before you start the journey. Or in technical terms, it's a bridge, the gap between a big idea and a working code. And without it, developer often write a spaghetti code. Spaghetti means a code which is hard to fix and need to change later. In simple terms, LLD is like an interior blueprint of a building, while HLD shows the exterior of a building. In technical terms, it is an internal work done by using classes, methods, and attributes. To ensure your design is strong, sturdy, or easy to maintain, then it must follow solid principle, all five golden rules. Clean architecture, keep things clean, modular. Design patterns, it should follow the scalability and fault tolerance and performance profiling. LLD, low level design, primarily comes under a design phase of software development lifecycle. Based on the context, it is referred as detailed design because it is specify the internal logic of every module in the system. Micro level design because it focuses on entire system architecture. Object oriented design because it relies heavily on OOPs, solid principles, and also it has a class diagram or sequence diagram. Also, it is known as a component level design. Why? Because it's more on designing individual component rather than the big system or system-wide interaction. Why it's bridge? It's bridge because you might have big idea, right, of a smart home. But if your code won't know how to handle it, then you decided to have an application that should let a user to tap on a button on their phone to turn on a light. So this is the place where LLD comes in, that your phone talks to a cloud and then the cloud talks to the house. And with the LLD, it makes the code predictable, whether the bulb is offline or button is pressed, etc. In LLD, we practice modularizing. What does that mean? We make every class independent, so one small change doesn't break the whole application. For example, TV remote. Swap one module like battery without rebuilding the whole system or application. Several real world examples are eating machine, vending machine. We'll talk about vending machine. So vending machine has multiple states. Ideal, there is no buyer. Has money, make the payment, give the coins. Dispense, take the selected item. LLD is a brain. How? It is just switching gears from waiting to processing and processing to dispensing in a vending machine. Let's talk about one more example, restaurant menu and a recipe. So restaurant menu is a high level diagram, HLD, and recipe is a low level diagram because it is a step by step instruction or a plan, so that every developer in terms of a technical or every chef in terms of a restaurant can use it, because it's a step by step instructions. Just follow it and make a food, right? Okay, now it's conclusion. We'll talk about difference between HLD and LLD. HLD is about what we are building. LLD is about how the multiple parts, module or components fit together perfectly, right? HLD is high level architecture. LLD is a guide, granular or detailed plan or a solution. Thanks for watching this video. In my next video, we'll talk about solid principles.